in a third part of the demand curve, I'm going to explain you the changes in the prices of the related good. What is impact of the complementary goods if the prices of related goods would be changed. Fine. If an increase in the price of a one shifted the demand of the other to leftward side, and decrease in the prices of one will increase the demand for the other. For example, if we are talking about an decrease in the price of the DVD player, it will increase what the demand of the DVD. These are the example of the complementary goods. Another example of that complementary goods are what? The petrol in a car, diesel in a car, the fuel as well as the car. These are what the pen and ink. It is also example of the complementary good. There is a one of the impact of both of the goods is simultaneously. They work as a simultaneously or a jointly. They didn't work in the absence of the another goods, right? If we are talking about the next part of this, what is changes in consumer expectation? One of the example I am going to introduce. For example, if we are expecting that tomorrow market for a particular good is increases, the prices for that goods will be increases, we are going to purchase that goods today. Fine. It means the quantity for that particular goods will increase today, right? Now, one of the important factor, consumer taste. Consumer preference, liking and disliking in consumption of particular goods will depend on the constant along with the given demand curve. Changes in taste will cause a shift in the demand curve as different quantity are demanded at each and every prices. It may be possible that the consumer taste depend on the time to time, that may be vary or it may be constant, but the demand for a particular goods may be it's constantly so a horizontal line according to the quantity demanded. Changes in a taste is what? Consumer prefer if the platform shows at rupees 50, the demand increases from 100 to 200, but the prices would be constant for that. Otherwise, the demand for that particular quantity may not be increases from previous quantity to next quantity. If we are talking about the changes in the number and composition of the consumer, the market demand curve is the sum of the individual demand curve. And another important factor for this is if the number of consumers fall, then the sum will be smaller, thus shifting in demand curve, right? Overall review of demand is what? First part in this is a change is quantity demanded is not a change in demand. In a second part, change in quantity demanded is due to reason of what? Changes in a price. Fine. If we are going to consider or conclude in a third part, changes in quantity demanded is a movement along the demand curve. In our next part, change in demand curve is caused by the changes in the determinant, and in a last, changes in demand shift the demand curve. This is overall the review of this demand, and in a next part of the video I am going to explain you about the supply of the goods. Thank you so much students for watching my video.